35 For you will conceive and give birth to a son, and no razor shall touch his head, for he will be God. Nazareth from birth, and he will be the one to rescue Israel from the hands of Philistine. If we study this verse of the Bible, we read that those who wear Nazareth did not cut to hair of their head, as we see in the case of Samson. Judge 16:17, that he revealed all the secret of his heart, and said to hair, no razor shall touch my head. For I am a Nazarite from my mother womb. If I am saved, my strength will diminish so much that I will become like an ordinary man. We see in this verse that Samson was God. Nazareth and his strength was in his God put power in his hair. 1 King 1:15-2. But if he shows goodness, not even a single hair of his shall fall to the ground. But if wickedness is found in him, he shall be killed. We can understand from this verse where it is written that if he is truthful, not even hair of his wool on the ground. Therefore, in this case of Samson, we see that the hair used to reveal the truth of God on him, as Solomon says that he will be God, not even a hair of his will fall. Here these things reveals the spiritually that Samson hair was in the form of God, goodness on him. Therefore the enemy could not harm even hair of his, meaning that he could not defeat him, because the looks remained on him the form of God goodness. Song of Songs 7:5. Your head is beautiful on you like caramel, the locks of your head are like a purple garment. The thing is bound in those locks. We can understand from this verse where it is written that the king is bound. There's the thing shows the matter for Samson and God, where God was connected to Samson because of his hair and used to give him strength.